Good morning. I am in the garage again. I'm gonna start my workout, but before that I am gonna clean up the garage a little bit, just like sweep it. We have some trash here, the recycle, so I gotta put all of these in the recycle trash bin, but it's raining outside, so I'm just gonna back the car out and sweep the floors. And once it stops raining, I'm gonna refill the trash bin and then start my workout. I am done with my workout. I have been doing clothing workout for like over a year now, and I love it. And I have started another 2-week shred challenge. Today was the 4th day. It feels so good. I'm tired. Now I'm gonna go and take bath. Today's vlog is basically gonna be a day in my life that I'm gonna show you from morning to evening. So yeah, that's how it's starting. Alright, I'm done with my bath. I'm snacking on grapes. I'm gonna make lunch right now. So basically, last night we made some really delicious dishes like mutton dry fry, and then it's like a potato dish that we made, and we have some leftover. So we're gonna use that, and I'm just gonna make dal and rice. And I'm gonna show you the kind of taroi we get here. I got from H Mart. You even get on Potato Brothers. Look how long it is. It's like the length of the taroi is more than my shoulders. So yeah, you get this taroi here. So we only get one. I was about to make this, and then I suddenly remembered that I have leftovers. So I'm gonna make that, and yeah, that's it. I'm definitely gonna share the recipe of dry fry mutton that I made yesterday. It's so good. I asked my mom, and it's super easy to make it. So yeah, I'm gonna do that. But right now, let's start making lunch. Feeling good.
दाल हो गई पीठ निकाल के कितने मिनट की
30 हो गई।
नमक नींबू डाल दिए।
Alright, my lunch is ready. I took it in a bowl. I have dal, rice, leftover potatoes, leftover mutton, and a little bit of salad. And I'm gonna go enjoy my meal. Alright people, so after lunch I have been literally editing back to back all like recipe videos, and they are all done. I already took Marble out, fed him, and took him out for a walk. It was raining, that's why I did not take the camera. So, and right now I'm taking the trash out because today is Monday and Tuesday the trash guy comes. So we gotta put all the trash together. Marble, come here and keep it out. Come on, here, I'm gonna give you Cheetos. Come on. So yeah, I was saying that we gotta take all the trash out. Mayang is getting the dustbin outside, so that's what I'm doing. What happened? हाँ एक ही में आ जाएगा ये सब कुछ. All you have to do is take the trash to the road over there and leave it there, and that's it. I am planning to make one pan dinner basically today. Everything baked. It's gonna be easy also. And usually in the evenings, if we want to go out, we go out, we roam around, and then we come and do our dinner. But today, now that we don't have to go out, we don't have any plans of going out, I'm gonna start making dinner right now. It's 6:15. I'm gonna start making. It's gonna take about 40-45 minutes, so it's gonna be perfect in timing. And I saw this recipe that I'm making today from the book Tasty that I got from Five Below. It's one of their recipes. It's roasted chicken and rainbow vegetables. That's what I'm gonna be making. Very excited, so let's do this. Alright, change of plans.
From eating a delicious dinner to not eating dinner.
Yeah, we kind of lost our appetite for some reason and don't want to eat anything because we had some snacks. We had like chips and...
I think those snacks were the reason. Because I was hungry at 6:30 and I was let's eat something, and then we ate something, and now it's 7:45 and we are not hungry at all. So I feel like just eating some cereals.
I don't know what I feel like. I feel like eating something warm.
Why don't you make just a single pack of noodles for yourself?
No, I don't want to eat noodles.
Like with kimchi and stuff? So anyways, we don't know what we are gonna eat. But if we do, then you will know.
Yes.
Alright, went from cereals to bagel. And she's having a tea.
I'm having some tea, milk tea, and some biscuit. That's it.
By the way, for those of you who are wondering that why I look like this and my hair is not as well groomed as it used to be before, the answer is Tanya is mad about that fact as well. But, oops, camera almost dropped. So Tanya is also mad about that fact, but the problem is that I'm trying to grow my hair, and I used to do a fade bald here. So these are super small and these are super big, and I have to just wait it out till they all become to a good length, and then I cut them evenly so that they grow evenly. But I guess until then, I'm gonna be a mess.
What it is, I guess.
Yeah, I know. I'll try to do better.
So for my tea, what I normally do is ginger, clove, and elaichi, cardamom. I mash it up like this, and then I add it over here. What that?
Bag bakri chai, swad aa chai.
And then I just boil this. So typically, because it was like a busy day in my life today because I edited so many videos. I think
on that note, don't forget to check out tonight's special because there are so many recipes that recently came out and there are so many more that she already shot, and we're excited to roll them out. So please, 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 every Tuesdays, Fridays, new recipes. So go check them out and cook them and enjoy it. And let us know in the comments how you're liking those recipes. What is next thing that you want us to see cooking?
Yeah.
Also, I did a poll in the community tab, so please, 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 we regularly post in our community tab. Don't forget to check those community posts out. Go and we also do polling. So I recently did a poll. What video do you want to prefer seeing us doing next? Whether it's gonna be a challenge video or a funny video. So go participate in the poll so that we know what you're expecting us, so we can bring you the content that you will enjoy the most.
Yes. So basically what I was saying is, if my day is not that busy, I would cook food. Today I was actually feeling very lazy also to make the dinner. So that's why.
Yeah, because you normally cook even if you have a busy day. It's like today
because even if I have a busy day, I still
rainy, dull.
You know how it is when it's rainy, you don't feel like doing anything and all that stuff. But the best part, the good thing is I completed the most important work that I had to do today. All the editing, I did that.
Oh, you finished all that?
Yeah, all the 3 recipes.
Ooh.
And yeah, right now it's good that we both don't feel like eating anything, so he's having that and I'm gonna have my tea and enjoy, go upstairs, watch some TV, right?
And babe, what are you excited about tomorrow?
Oh, tomorrow is my rest day, active rest day, because you guys know that I'm doing the clothing workout I've been showing you guys. And even on Saturday and Sunday, I did not take a break thinking that, oh, it's Saturday and Sunday, I don't have to do it anymore for the weekend. I did my workout on the weekend. I feel achieved, I feel good. And when I was working out today and then I saw what workout I have tomorrow, and I was like, it says active rest day. I was so excited. I was like, woohoo, it's active rest day.
So hopefully if it doesn't rain, we'll go for a walk.
For a walk, yeah.
And we both have been trying to do this thing where we try to walk like 15,000 to 25,000 steps a day.
Yeah. But we haven't reached 225 because it's like so.
I reached 15,000.
Yeah, he did reach 15,000 because he went to play and all that stuff. So but yeah, but slowly we'll get there. It's a little hard when you start. You don't just start to.
It's like very time consuming for us to do because it will literally take like 3 to 4 hours for you to walk that much amount.
If you're walking like
that many calories
continuously, if you want to do 25,000, not in breaks, basically.
Yeah, so let's see. We'll keep you guys posted how that goes.
But I can promise you that my workout is going very, very, very good.
So I'm eating an Asiago cheese bagel, but the cream cheese that I'm using is the garden vegetable spread from Good and Gather, and trust me, this is super, super delicious, and it goes specifically very well with the Asiago cheese bagel.
Yeah. We have been getting Good and Gather stuff so much lately, like every single thing, like almond butter and spreads and milk and chips and all that stuff, and they are so good. It literally, when we went to Target, you literally find Good and Gather in every single aisle. I get so excited when I see Good and Gather now. Even when you go and see like produce and meat, you can see Good and Gather everywhere. So one
more thing.
Yes, go ahead.
I was gonna say one more thing that I like is to have something in the fridge that I can steal, like when I'm walking and stuff. And so the red grapes are the best thing, because whenever I feel like having something from the fridge and steal, that's the first thing Tanya keeps right up in the front of the top.
So you don't go for the bad stuff.
Yeah, so that's why I always pick like 2 or 3. They are washed and everything ready.
Yep.
And so just a tip for anybody who reaches out for the bad stuff in the fridge every time you open it.
Yeah.
And it's like me, who kind of every time you walk by fridge and want to open and grab something, well, a couple of grapes will do just fine.
Yeah. And I was saying that once the milk starts to boil, I just add my tea leaves and let it boil again until it darkens. You can do it according to your color.
Babe, how will you feel if the Milk is all over the place.
Very bad, obviously.
So Tanya freaks out even with the thought of the milk getting out. So how many of you can relate?
The amount of cleaning you have to do after that. Alright, let's go upstairs. Alexa, switch off kitchen light. Alright, you gotta hold here for a second. My tea is here. Smells so good. Alexa, increase master bedroom light. Better. Marl is waiting here for the treat. Alright then. I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. This was a day in my life. I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. And until then, bye bye.